Today's manufacturers face more operational challenges and maintenance needs than they have people or time to address. And traditional support tools and generic AI agents simply can't keep up with the speed and complexity of modern operations. At Databricks, we're changing that. Databricks is working with thousands of manufacturers around the world who are building and deploying specialized AI agents that don't just automate tasks, but orchestrate intelligence end to end. The result? A level of accuracy and performance you won't find anywhere else. With higher uptime, smarter scheduling, lower costs, and stronger compliance, quality rises, rework declines, and you gain a competitive edge. Databricks has pioneered a new standard to building enterprise AI agents, AgentBricks, a solution built on an unmatched combination of three powerful pillars: high accuracy to produce outputs that you trust, more choice of any AI technologies, and secure governance with access controls, auditing, and monitoring. When our clients use Databricks, they reduce days of planning to minutes. AI agents have unified real-time sensor data from more than 18,000 assets, optimizing over $1 billion in spare parts inventory. And they've performed real-time what-if simulations to reduce forecasting time from 48 hours to 45 minutes. With Databricks, procurement, sourcing, and logistics staff can model routing, tariff, and currency scenarios to prevent stockouts and revenue loss. That optimizes trade decisions, cuts material costs, and creates resilience against geopolitical and market volatility. And manufacturing operators receive real-time, low-latency, image-based defect alerts, avoiding millions in losses in plants around the globe. That's more than the art of the possible. Those are real-world examples of how Databricks is helping real customers with AI agents in manufacturing. Learn more here.